Every single day, thousands of beginners lose up to 5% of their money hidden exchange fees the exact moment they try to buy Bitcoin. Today, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method to buy your first Bitcoin with virtually zero spread and the absolute lowest fees possible. But you need to pay very close attention to step number 3. If you click the wrong network button during that step, your entire Bitcoin balance could vanish permanently into the digital void. Before we dive into the tutorial, I need to give you a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Trading cryptocurrencies involves significant risk, and it is entirely possible to lose your invested capital. Always do your own independent research and take full responsibility for your personal financial decisions. Now imagine going online, downloading a random crypto app, and swiping your credit card to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. Boom, you instantly lose $40 just on credit card processing fees alone. Then, the app hits you with a terrible hidden spread, which eats up another massive chunk of your hard-earned capital. You are automatically in the red and losing money before you even start your investment journey. That is exactly why I exclusively use Bybit for my personal crypto purchases. Now, I will be completely honest with you right from the start. When you first open the Bybit app, the interface can look a little bit overwhelming with all of its advanced trading buttons and complex charts. But once you actually know where to click, it is undeniably the most liquid exchange with some of the absolute cheapest trading fees in the entire world. Right now, the internet is full of fake phishing links designed to trick you and steal your information. To ensure you are landing on the official, highly secure platform, you should only use the official link I placed in the very first line of the description below. Using that exact link will not only protect your data, but the system will automatically apply a lifetime 20% discount on all of your future trading fees. Alternatively, you can manually type in the referral code 50REFUND when you are signing up to get that exact same 20% fee reduction applied to your account. Let us get right into step number 1, which is your registration and account security. Click the link in the description, enter your preferred email address, and create a highly secure password. The platform will then ask you to complete a quick identity verification process, which is standard across all legitimate platforms. You will just need to scan your face and provide a valid ID, and this usually takes less than 60 seconds to get fully approved. Here is a crucial security secret that the vast majority of beginners completely ignore at their own peril. You must enable two-factor authentication immediately using a dedicated application like Google Authenticator. Operating any cryptocurrency account without two-factor authentication is essentially like leaving the front door of your house wide open in a terrible neighborhood. Do not ever skip that security step under any circumstances. Now we are going to move to step number 2, which is the smart way to deposit your fiat currency. This is precisely the stage where uneducated buyers lose the most amount of money to fees. Do not ever use the giant, shiny button on the homepage that tells you to buy crypto instantly with a credit card. Credit card companies and payment processors will always charge you massive, unnecessary convenience fees for that privilege. Instead of doing that, we are going to utilize the P2P trading feature. P2P stands for peer-to-peer, and it allows you to transfer fiat money directly from your local bank account to a verified merchant on the platform. You simply navigate to the P2P section. Select your local currency from the drop-down menu, and choose the option to buy USDT. USDT is a stablecoin that is pegged directly to the value of the US dollar, and it will act as the perfect bridge to buy your Bitcoin. You should always look for a merchant who has a very high completion rate and thousands of successful previous orders. You initiate the trade, send the exact fiat amount via your regular banking app, and click the button to confirm you have transferred the funds. The platform holds the seller's crypto in a secure escrow system, meaning they cannot run away with your money. Within just a few minutes, the merchant releases the USD directly into your funding wallet. The best part is that this peer-to-peer transaction process comes with absolutely zero platform fees. This method brilliantly bypasses traditional banking fees and credit card charges entirely. Now that you finally have your USDT ready, we move to the final phase, step number 3, which is actually purchasing the Bitcoin. First, you need to transfer your USDT from your funding wallet over to your spot trading wallet. Navigate over to the Trade tab at the bottom of the screen and select the BTC to USD trading pair. You will notice two primary purchasing options here, which are the market order and the limit order. If you decide to use a limit order, you are telling the system to only buy Bitcoin when the price drops to a specific lower target that you choose. But if you want to secure your Bitcoin right this very second, you need to select the market order option. A market order completely bypasses the waiting game and executes your trade immediately, at the best available current market price. Simply enter the amount of USDT you want to spend and click the big green buy button. Congratulations, you have just officially purchased the most scarce digital asset on the planet without paying outrageous beginner fees. But you need to remember that massive, catastrophic mistake I warned you about at the very beginning of this video. Once you actually own your Bitcoin, you will likely want to move it off the exchange and into a cold storage hardware wallet for maximum long-term safekeeping. When you go to withdraw your funds, the exchange interface will ask you to select a transfer network. Never, ever withdraw your Bitcoin using the ERC-20 Ethereum network unless you want to pay absolutely massive, unnecessary network transaction fees. More importantly, sending Bitcoin to the wrong network address means your funds will be lost forever with zero chance of recovery. Always double-check and explicitly ensure that you are selecting the native Bitcoin network so your funds arrive safely and cheaply to your personal wallet. If this step-by-step guide helped you avoid those ridiculous hidden fees today, please support the channel by creating your account through the link at the very top of the description or the pinned comment. It costs you absolutely nothing extra to use it, and it automatically guarantees your lifetime 20% fee discount. If you are watching this on a mobile device, just type in the code 50refund during the sign-up process to permanently claim your discount. Create your account right now so you are fully prepared and funded to act immediately when the market inevitably dips. Now that you actually own Bitcoin, your next critical step as an investor is learning how to protect it from potential exchange collapses. Click this video right here on the screen to learn exactly how to move your assets into impenetrable cold storage.